Top 5. Laptop under $500. Number 5. Acer Aspire E15. 8th generation Intel Core i3-8130U processor, up to 3.4 GHz. 15.6 Full HD, 1920x1080, widescreen LED display. 6 GB dual channel memory, 1 TB HDD and 8X DVD. Up to 13.5 hours of battery life. Windows 10 Home. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 4. Dell i35-673380 BLK Plus. 15.6 diagonal display, features 1366 x 768 resolution and utilizes True Life technology. 7th Gen Intel Core i3 processor. Multitask with confidence. 8 GB of memory is available to run your powerful programs. Memory is expandable up to 16 GB. Energy efficient screen. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 3. Lenovo IdeaPad 330. 17.3 HD and LED backlight, 1600x900, display, Intel UHD graphics 620. 8th Gen Intel Core i5-8250U processor, 1.6 GHz, 4 cores. Intel wireless AC WLAN and Bluetooth, 2x USB 3. 6M cache, up to 3.40 GHz. 2 cell, up to 5 hours battery life. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 2. Lenovo IdeaPad. Lifelike clarity, featuring HD and resolution on a 17.3 display. High performance laptop. High performance storage. 6 GB DDR4 RAM, 1 TB SATA HDD. Maximum productivity. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 1. Asus VivoBook F510UA. Powerful 8th generation Intel Core i5-8250U, 1.6 GHz. Ergonomic chiclet keyboard with fingerprint sensor. Asus Splendid software enhancement. 15.6 anti-glare Full HD display. 8 GB DDR4 RAM and 1 TB HDD. Please check out the description for details and update price.